A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this morning, we are taking a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. So, President Emmerson Mnangagwa's supporters are solidifying Vision 2030 as the structures continue to reject Vice President Chiwenga, Muchangwa, and others. So, 2030 Anenga Achipo has been taken to another level. We have the Midlands province solidly behind President Emmerson Mnangagwa Vision 2030 or 2030 Ngachipo slogan. We have Masvingo also solidly behind President Emmerson Mnangagwa and Vision 2030 Ngavarambe Aripo. We also have Manicaland. It has been confirmed that Manicaland is also behind Matabeleland South. These are critical provinces which are actually backing President Emmerson Mnangagwa. We have Mashonaland Central. It has also been confirmed that they are actually backing Vision 2030 kana 2030 anenga achipo ndokunana kazembe. And we also have Mashonaland West province. All these provinces have been confirmed with Iowa, Kashumba, Ngavarambe, Vachingotonga. The most critical province which is divided at this moment in time is Mashonaland East province, and other provinces like Manicaland, it's yet to be confirmed, but also is square in terms of support. Let us hear what is actually continuously going on, because this issue has continuously been brought to fruition, and it has been confirmed by President Mnangagwa Ivo Pachavo when he addressed over the weekend. And you link what the structures are saying and the battles within ZANU PF, you would actually understand the reason why Vanamchangwa they are under fire, and the reason why the friendship has deteriorated so much. So I hope and believe that I'll be able to bring this right onto the screen if my network permits me, and let us see what they have to say. But meanwhile, let us take a look onto this video from Team Masvingo. So this is what Masvingo province is saying. They are actually saying Ngavarambe vachingotonga vamnangagwa, and this is the message which is being shared across. Let us take a look on another video. So this is a different group altogether, and the message is the same. Ngavarambe vachingotonga. You can actually hear kuti kambo kanyowani kakatokombozwa kakatointroducedwa simply because vari kuti Ngavarambe vachingotonga. This is the position taken, and this is what is actually happening at this point in time. So it said kuti ndo mamirira zvakaita. Let us hear iye mukuru pachake achitaura.
And I can rule and rule and rule.
So he clearly said, and I can rule and rule and rule, and apana nogona undimisa. And he said it in the presence of everybody, live on camera. And this has been corroborated by several events. When you go to Midlands province, when they're actually making my slogans 2030. Go to the deputy ministers, go to the ministers aligned to President Mnangagwa. They're actually making this slogan publicly. They all know that this is the last term of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, but they are making public declarations kuti Ngavarambe vachingotonga, Ngavarambe vachingovapo, and it's said that this is what is happening at this point in time. So let us take a look on what other people are actually saying regarding this whole issue. Set free Nerera right here raises something very important and calls what is happening stupidity. The major question will be, is it stupidity or this is reality? In my own view, I believe that this is not stupidity. This is reality. This is what is actually happening. And VP Chiwenga has been neutralized. He has been silenced. Working this same mission is the definition of stupidity, repeating the same thing and expecting different results. So yes, they have repeated it several times. Masvingo started it. Mnangagwa came and said that is not true, but he went on to actually say Enderuru. So which means he is definitely confirming the issue of 2030. And these structures, if you know, ZANU PF, in terms of discipline, vakuru vacho in terms of discipline, where the leaders just give a command, because you get fired. So when you see structures continuously doing this, it's not because they are not disciplined. It's because the people who are not disciplined are the leaders within ZANU PF. So take a look on the faces there appearing on the screen. Ndo vanhu vacho vari kuita zvese izvi zvanangavarambe vachingotonga. And if you take a look on some faces there, there are prominent from the president's office, which corroborates these issues of VP Chiwenga being rejected by structures across. So right here, Buru Mangwende says, no position yedu semasvingo province. Kana zvaibvira taisa yedu kuti zvidaro. And like I said, it's a stupid idea and position. So I know that a lot of people don't want these things to be happening, but what I can tell you is these are the things which are being planned. But it depends. What is VP Chiwenga and others going to do? It depends on how they are going to act on this. It depends on how they are going to deal with these whole issues. Because they don't even seem excited about what they are chanting. Okay. And the third term kuma youth kwete ku if tides turn, I don't know how these people survive. The komaiti chiiko pae, I guess that's where people become unquestionably loyal. Okay, so this is a very important thing being raised by Houston here. So, Anzi, I don't see people, I don't know how these people will survive Komaiti Chikopai, which means these are questions which are likely going to be asked in the future. So, it's said, Tim Zimbabweans, ZANU PF youth singing for their stomach and nothing else. The level of bootlicking within ZANU PF is sickening. Remember, kune motaka dzachivayo dzakanzi dziri kuda kudistributwa kuma provinces. So if you don't dance according to the tune, motikari unoishaya. So, and if they are really serious about this country, they or even him, ED, could have started a formal party process of recruiting and mentoring a successor. So, and our position is even more hopeless. So, and kanonaka kasong aka. Yes, kasong kacho zvikanzi wasted voice and talent there. This is a person aifana kunge achitoshandisawo chipo chake kutoimba kutodarika wana chief wenje. But it's just a wasted talent for sure. Okay, zvikanzi it's gathering steam. Crazy idea from vanhu vekumusha kwangu, but the song and vocal coordination is good. Yes, if you listen to the voice, guys, nemaimbirwa zviri kuitwa munhu anogona. But kambo kacho kari kuimbwa ndo matoto zvikanzi, well, the leading guy anogona hake kuimba zvimwe zvese rava drama. Okay. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. VP Chiwenga is continuously being rejected by ZANU PF structures. This is Masvingo province, and it has been corroborated in provinces like Mashonaland West, Mashonaland Central, also Matabeleland South. It has been repeated in in Midlands province. All these provinces, they have pledged loyalty to President Emmerson Mnangagwa's Vision 2030. Ngavarambe vachingotonga. So I'm going to leave you listening to this video once more so that you get to understand kuti zvinhu zvacho zviri kumbotangira papi zvichifamba sei.
Ngavarambe vachingotonga